When it comes to enhancing your West Valley City home, few upgrades have as much impact as new windows. Not only do they play a crucial role in the energy efficiency and comfort of your home, but they also contribute significantly to its aesthetic appeal. With a variety of window styles available, choosing the right one for your home can be a challenging task. You'll want windows that look great, perform well, and suit the specific needs of your space. Here's a guide to the best window styles for homes in West Valley City, balancing functionality and aesthetics to meet your needs. Double-hung windows. Timeless appeal and versatile function. One of the most popular and timeless window styles for homes in West Valley City is the double-hung window. This style features two vertically sliding sashes, with both the top and bottom sections capable of moving up and down. Aesthetic appeal. Double-hung windows work well in traditional and modern homes alike, thanks to their classic design. They offer a clean, simple look that can complement a wide range of architectural styles. Whether you have a colonial-style home or more contemporary design, double-hung windows add timeless elegance to your home's exterior. Functionality. Double-hung windows provide excellent ventilation options. You can open the bottom sash to let in fresh air or open the top sash to allow hot air to escape. Additionally, double-hung windows are easy to clean, as both sashes can tilt inward, making it simple to access the exterior glass from inside your home. Casement windows. Modern and efficient. For homes in West Valley City that emphasize modern architecture, casement windows are an ideal choice. Casement windows are hinged on the side and open outward like a door, offering an unobstructed view and excellent ventilation. Aesthetic appeal. Casement windows have a sleek, contemporary look that works well with minimalist and modern home designs. Their narrow frames maximize the view, making them perfect for areas where you want to enjoy the outdoor scenery, like living rooms or dining rooms. Functionality. Casement windows offer exceptional energy efficiency because they create an airtight seal when closed. This helps prevent drafts and keeps your home comfortable year-round. These windows are also great for ventilation since they can open fully, allowing for maximum airflow, especially in kitchens or living areas where fresh air is important. Sliding windows. Space-saving and easy to operate. For homes with limited space or a modern aesthetic, sliding windows offer a practical solution. Sliding windows open horizontally, with one panel sliding over the other. Aesthetic appeal. Sliding windows have a sleek, streamlined appearance, making them ideal for homes with contemporary or minimalist designs. The horizontal design is particularly well suited for wider openings, such as living rooms or kitchenettes, where you want a simple, unobtrusive window that allows natural light and offers a wide view of the outdoors. Functionality. Sliding windows are incredibly easy to operate since you only need to slide one pane of glass to open or close the window. They also provide excellent ventilation, especially in areas with wide openings, and are perfect for rooms where a traditional window would protrude too far. Bay and bow windows. Adding charm and space. If you're looking to make a statement in your West Valley City home, bay or bow windows can be a great way to add both charm and functionality. These windows extend outward from the house, creating a small nook or additional space inside the room. Aesthetic appeal. Bay and bow windows add architectural depth and character to any home. They work well with traditional, Victorian, or cottage-style homes and can create a striking visual feature on the exterior of your home. These windows also provide a panoramic view of the outdoors, making them perfect for living rooms, dining rooms, or master bedrooms. Functionality. Bay and bow windows not only add beauty to your home but also create more interior space. The extended structure provides additional seating areas, storage, or display space, and it allows more natural light to enter your home. These windows can also be a great way to make a room feel larger and more open. Picture windows. Maximizing views and natural light. If you're lucky enough to have a home with beautiful views, picture windows are the perfect choice to capture and enhance those vistas. These large, fixed windows do not open but offer an expansive view of the outdoors. Aesthetic appeal. Picture windows create an open, airy feel and offer unobstructed views of the outside world. They are especially popular in living rooms, great rooms, and areas with scenic views such as mountains, gardens, or lakes. Their large glass panes bring in a significant amount of natural light, making your home feel bright and welcoming. Functionality. While picture windows don't open for ventilation, they are great for maximizing natural light and energy efficiency. These windows are highly energy efficient since they don't have moving parts and are typically made of high-quality glass that provides excellent insulation. Arched windows. Elegant and unique. For homeowners looking to add a touch of elegance and uniqueness, arched windows are an excellent option. These windows have a curved, semicircular shape and work particularly well above entryways, doors, or other windows. Aesthetic appeal. Arched windows add dramatic flair to a home's exterior, especially when paired with other window styles or architectural elements. They are perfect for traditional, Mediterranean, or eclectic-style homes and create a visually stunning feature. Functionality. While often used for decorative purposes, arched windows can be paired with casement windows or double-hung windows for better functionality. They offer an additional architectural element while enhancing the overall aesthetic of your home. Conclusion. Choose the right window style for your West Valley City home. When selecting the right window style for your West Valley City home, it's important to find a balance between aesthetic appeal and functionality. Whether you prefer the classic charm of double-hung windows, the sleek efficiency of casement windows, or the expansive views offered by picture windows, there are plenty of options to suit your home's needs and style. Take the time to consider how each window style complements the design of your home, enhances your lifestyle, and contributes to your home's energy efficiency and comfort. Consulting with a professional window expert can help you make the right decision and ensure your new windows provide lasting benefits for years to come.